In my previous video, we had seen that the face recognition was not working as expected, so it needs to be updated. I will use OpenFace, which is a Python and a Torch implementation of face recognition with deep neural networks. Let's get started. Before getting started, the data of the person to be recognized needs to be collected. I am using a sample size of 20 images per person. We are going to create a pipeline which will be as follows. The first step would be training our face recognizer, and to do that, we will start by detecting the faces from the data collected. Once that is done, we will compute a 1 to 8D face embeddings to quantify a face, for which we use OpenFace model. Then we will train a support vector machine on top of the embeddings as recognizer. Now that the training is completed, we will use the trained models for face recognition. The steps remain same as that of the training. That is, we will start by the face detection and compute 1 to 8D face embeddings from the video stream, which we call it as an anchor point. Then we do a comparison between the trained embeddings and the current embeddings to predict the person. With all this being said, let's test it out. It is working fine, and not just that, I have trained the model with the images where I am having beard. So the question is, will it identify me without the beard? And the best solution was to find it out. For which I had to trim my beard, which I hate a lot. Well, it is working fine with a decent accuracy, which can be increased by updating the data. The main intention was to check whether 1 to 8D face embeddings was working or not, which is working. I hate this look without my beard. A like could be appreciated, and do subscribe.